Hello, lovely and wonderful family. Welcome once again to my channel. Sar Skincare is the name. If you are stopping by for the very first time, you are highly welcome. And to my old and new subscribers, God richly bless you for always being with your girl. Guys, in today's video, I'm going to make a review, yes, of a certain product, enlightening lotion. And the name is Silky White Exclusive Carrot Lotion. Silky White Exclusive Carrot Lotion. Please guys, I will be showing you the pictures here or here. Okay, so please don't worry about it. This lotion is Silky White Exclusive Carrot Lightening Lotion. It is not whitening lotion, it is lightening lotion. Yes, and this Silky White lotion, it contains alpha arbutin. You know, alpha arbutin is very good. It's also a lightening agent and it's very good. It also contains allantoin powder, which is also very good for the skin. So for Silky White, I recommend this lotion for someone who is fair already, yes, or want to tone the skin. If you are a dark person and you want to lighten up a little bit, yes, you are way to go. With this Silky White, yes, I can recommend it for someone who wants to tone or lighten the skin a little bit, not whitening. If you want to whiten with this lotion, unless you add in serum, yes, because this lotion does not whitens the skin, but it tones it, making it flawless and unique way. Yes, you have the uniform skin tone. With this lotion, you get that uniform skin tone. This lotion is very good because it contains carrot oil. It also contains alpha arbutin, glucosamide. It contains a lot of ingredients, even I cannot mention all. It contains vitamin E, it contains propylene glycol. It's very good lotion. Yes, it glows the skin, but it doesn't whiten the skin. So if you want to use this lotion, please get a good soap, a good whitening soap with a scrub. Please buy a scrub, a whitening scrub. You can also contact me and get your soap. I have very good soap over there. Yes, I have my whitening soap, I have my mulatto soap, I have my oshapapra soap, I have my glow soap, I have my black soap, which also there. Very good soaps. And also this lotion, one thing I love about this lotion is it gives the skin a uniform skin tone. So please, if your skin is good with carrot oil or anything carrot, then this lotion is for you. Yes, you can get 3 shades within some time, but please try to use it continuously with a good product like soap and also scrub. Then this lotion is very good. Yes, for stretch marks, no, you can also add in anti-reactions cream or oil to it, like bio oil, rescue oil, recovery oil, or better still, anything like small crook and a call. It's also very good. So for this lotion, I recommend it. It's very good. Yes. So guys, you can try this lotion out, but remember to use a good product like whitening soap with scrub. Okay guys, then you are way to go. Those who doesn't know what to use on your skin, you can try this lotion out and bring your testimony. If your skin is very good with carrot, then this lotion is for you. If your skin is not good with carrot, then please better so skip this lotion. My dear, I will try my best to promote this lotion and bring you the serum that I use to promote this lotion. So stay with me, be with me over here. Don't go anywhere. Subscribe to my channel, like and also comment. I love you guys for watching my video and also subscribing to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye.